Hi, I'm Liaquat Amin Satti, Executive Director Operations, and most of my work was related to crisis management, business continuity, disaster management, and disaster recovery. And one of the tasks was given me to train the oil and gas industry executives and senior officials to deal with the media during a crisis, during an emergency, during a disaster situation. And that was the quite big task that I had to complete. I looked around, went to the conferences, seminars, workshops, courses, and found that there is no such good practical solution for the senior management or the officials to take just only one time and become a good public speaker, a good communicator or debater. So when I researched, I stumbled upon 2-3 names, and especially T.J. Walker was one of the person that we have seen was the best among others. And we engaged T.J. Walker. T.J. Walker was the most expensive consultant that we ever had. But one of the things I must acknowledge that his training and results were amazing. So he have taken people in the workshop, and within few hours, once they came out, they were different in their public speaking and approach, in their all of the communication related to the emergencies and disasters, communicating to the outer world was much better than before. They got sound bites, they got message that they can deliver. They were able to give the interviews to quite aggressive media. So I think his approach and practical solution and the tips and the way he trains is much better than any other consultant that I came across. Thank you.